morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's Hump Day. Happy Hump Day to you all. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Mongolia. I am not going to attempt the name of the dish again. I'm just going to call it Mongolian noodles / soup. Simplicity at its best. I'm glad I did more research on this dish. The Mongols definitely have a very rich history, and they kept things simple. Yes, their cuisine is influenced by a few other countries like China. But I was surprised to see when I did more research, a little more in-depth research on the herb and spice profile for Mongolia. There really isn't one. Salt and pepper. That's it. Yes, I kind of varied from the recipe because I did it because of my research on the dish. I added carrots and I added potatoes. It was yummy. It's really good. If you want looking for a simple noodle / soup dish, this is it. The original recipe calls for lamb, but in actuality they would have used mutton or beef. Give it a try. I'd say make it your own, but I think you would want to stick to the original. All right. The Culinary Expedition continues today. We're going to Ethiopia. We're going to the African continent. Tikil Gomen. This is a cabbage and potato dish with other goodies in it. So let's go. Let's take a look. Using the brazier today. That's it. That's all I need. All right, for the software. Green cabbage, yellow onion. Actually, the recipe, and I've had a couple of recipes lately that call for brown onion. I'm using yellow. Ginger, garlic, a little bit of oil, carrot, potatoes, turmeric, a little bit of water, and that's to basically steam everything. Salt and pepper. Again, another simple dish, and here's the software and all the goodies for tonight's Ethiopian dish. Today is menu day, because it's Wednesday. So I'll be putting together the menu for next week today. I will also be sending and submitting recipes and dishes to Robin today for our evening. We're actually not having Sunday dinner. We're actually having, I believe it's a Thursday dinner next week because Robin's going to be out of town doing some family business. Actually, it's visiting. It's not business, it's visiting. So, on this hump day, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.